Here we've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down a bit, find and select home screen and wallpaper, and here at the bottom of the list you will notice set wallpaper, so smoothly click here, and now you can pick one from static or live wallpapers, or you can also choose something from your photo gallery, but I will pick some from static wallpapers. Just click on allow, and as you can see here you've got all the possibilities, so let me choose for example this one, and if you would like to set it as your wallpaper, just click on set as, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, lock screen only, or both of them, and I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.